Hello guys, in this video today I will show you how to install Maven on Windows. Firstly, we need to check if Maven is already installed in your window. To do that, we need to go to Shut and type cmd. To check if Maven is already installed on your computer, you need to type Maven version. If you see the text, that means Maven is not already installed in your computer. Now we need to go to the Google page and type Maven download window and click on Maven. You need to click on download button, and you can see a lot. There are lots of versions here. For me, I want to download the version of 5.8. So I will click on this link and wait a little bit to download Apache Maven. After downloading finish, we have a folder in the download folder. Need to extract and extract here. Now we have a Apache Maven. First, then we need to copy this folder by Control and C and paste it into C folder program file, and we need to Control V to paste it and continue. Now we have a Apache Maven in program folder. The next step, we need to set the environment for Maven. To do that, we need to go to search and type environment. Click on edit the system environment variable. In the system variable, we need to choose the path and edit. Then we come back to Apache Maven bin folder and copy the URL by Control C and paste it in here. Okay. Then we need to create a new Maven home by click on new and Maven home. Paste it URL. In this Maven home, we don't need to use bin folder, but only Maven folder. So I delete the bin folder. Click OK. OK and OK. Now we are already setting a Maven on our computer. To check that, we need to come back to command line and type nvn version. We are not have the, I don't know why, but let me check that again. Environment, set environment, Maven home, Apache Maven. Let me see that Maven. Path, edit. I think you need to restart your computer to see there is a Maven already installed in your computer. I will restart my computer and check it, and you need to do so.